Okay, this is exciting because I've got the gap stop all finished up in between the slabs of the split top Roubo bench. I did it out of walnut, but I deviated from the bench crafted plans somewhat. I added some little pockets for tools like chisels to help protect the sharp edges from being nicked. And also, if you use the standard slot that bench crafted puts in their plans, narrow chisels just fall over. So these little pockets just prevent that from happening and the tools stay nice and organized. Marking gauges, although they stand up on their own very nicely, they go in these little spots well. Also, screwdrivers, I added some pockets in the middle, and then along the far end where I'm probably going to do most of the dovetailing, actually I've got one of my practice houndstooth dovetails for that end cap here just for demonstration, but extra pockets down here for chisels or even for a Cosman dovetail saw. So I hope you like that gap stop in the split top Roubo bench.